In this demo, I'll show how to use Microsoft Dataverse knowledge in Copilot Studio. In my previous video, I had shown what are knowledge sources in Copilot Studio. In that we have seen Dataverse is one of them. Now let's get started on how to add Dataverse knowledge in Copilot Studio. Let's open any of the existing Copilots or create a new one. I will just open this one. Go to the Knowledge menu. Now I will create a Dataverse knowledge. Already I have added 3 knowledges, as we can see here. To add a new knowledge, click on the Add Knowledge button. We could see many knowledge sources are there, like public websites, SharePoint, and OneDrive, and many more. In this demo, we will work on the Dataverse knowledge source. Now we could see the list of the Dataverse tables. We could select whichever table we want. We can select more than one table. I will select a couple of tables. Something like below. Then I will select the AI model table. Click on the Next button. Now we could see the preview mode. If you have any data in the backend table, you could see here. Let's select one by one. I don't see any data here, as this my trial tenant. Yes, I have data in my AI model table. I will pick this for this demo. You can save this preview data or take a screenshot of this page. Then, while testing the Copilot, you can refer to this screenshot. Click on the Add button. This takes some time to complete. It is in review and finish state. Wait for a few more seconds. Yes, now I can see my Dataverse knowledge is added to my Copilot knowledge library. Sometimes, the Dataverse knowledge doesn't come with a ready state immediately. It takes a few minutes to hours even. Now, let's edit the configuration of this knowledge to add synonyms and glossaries. Click on the Synonyms tab. Let's understand what are synonyms. Synonyms are words that have the same or nearly the same meaning as another word. They can be used interchangeably in many contexts to add variety to writing and speech, making communication more interesting and precise. The quality of writing by providing alternatives that might be more appropriate or expressive in different contexts. For instance, instead of repeatedly using the word big, you could use synonyms like large, huge, or gigantic depending on the specific nuance you want to convey. I will add a few synonyms for the category column. Click on the Edit Synonyms button. Then, add a couple sample synonyms for the category column. I have added a couple sample synonyms for category columns one by one. Like class, division, and grade with the description. Now, let's add a few glossaries for knowledge. Before adding a glossary, let's understand what it is. A glossary is a list of terms and their definitions, typically included at the end of a book or document. It helps readers understand specialized or technical vocabulary used in the text. Company that have economic value and liabilities, obligations the company owes to others. A glossary is especially useful in fields like accounting, where specific terminology is essential for understanding concepts and practices. By providing clear definitions, a glossary ensures that readers can follow the material more effectively. Now, let's add a few glossaries. Click on the Glossary tab. Then, enter the term and description for this. I have added sales and outstanding expenses as glossaries. Now, let's save this knowledge. Now, let's test this Copilot. Click on the Test button. I have just typed this text, empty dynamic prompt created on which date in Dataverse AI model table? Then, the Copilot answered this, the empty dynamic prompt in the Dataverse AI model table was created on September 23, 2023, at 11:33 and 5 seconds a.m. with the Dataverse table link references, which indicate from where this information came from. To test which topic was triggered and generated this answer, just click on the answer text. We can see the generative AI configuration from here. That's it. Thank you. Thanks for watching this demo. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the upcoming videos.